Date night, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, a birthday, or an anniversary. You are trying to impress your loved one, and I have a video that might help you. Let's watch it. Would you like to impress your loved one with a luxurious date night meal that's way better and cheaper than a fancy restaurant? With Thermomix, you can cook a gourmet dinner, sip on delicious drinks, and enjoy indulgent desserts, all from the comfort of home. Let me show you how to create the perfect date night experience, and wait until the end for a few bonus morning treat recipes. Let's start with the showstoppers, restaurant quality dishes that will truly wow your date. Whether you love seafood, steak, or something rich and comforting, these recipes bring elegance to your table with minimal effort. Crab stuffed lobster tails. This dish screams luxury. So good, and you don't need to pay restaurant prices. Almond crusted salmon with asparagus tagliatelle. The day I made this one, I could not believe it. Date night worthy for sure. Sous-vide steak. Everyone talks about sous-vide cooking. Did you know you can do that with your Thermomix as well? Steak with peppered Parmesan sauce and Roquefort potatoes. Are we in Paris yet?
Bonjour.
Macadamia halibut with mango sauce. This dish is to die for. Another recipe that transported my mind to the most expensive restaurant you can find. And we were just at Chez Diana. Osso Buco with lavender and Tellicherry pepper. Slow cooked, melt in your mouth beef with deep aromatic flavors. Yes, your Thermomix can also slow cook. Beef Wellington. Yes, you can. I'm the dummy cook and I was able to make this fine dining dish, so please try it. Scallops with pea puree. One of the easiest date dinner recipes you can make, and they are steamed. So healthy. Lobster Bisque, cream, velvety, and bursting with rich lobster flavor. Have you been doing the math? How much would all of this be if we were at a restaurant? Okay, maybe you're in the mood for something cozy, but still impressive. These dishes bring comfort, love, and just the right amount of indulgence. Marry Me Chicken. This dish is literally called Marry Me Chicken. Need I say more? And everyone raves about it. Believe it or not, I haven't tried it yet, but I have tried the pasta version, Marry Me Chicken Pasta, which is amazing. Talking about pasta, you can make the tomato basil chicken fettuccine that everyone loves, or if you're feeling crafty, you can have quality time and a fun time making your own pasta together. And look, there's an option for gluten-free pasta as well. Lemon Osso, a bright and zesty side dish that pairs beautifully with seafood or chicken. I love its colors, so I have cooked it many times for Mother's Day. Pork tenderloin with cherry sauce, pork tenderloin with mustard sauce, or pork tenderloin with chimichurri. So many options. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, we have tons of options as well. Vegan lasagna, vegan pasta, vegan or vegetarian paella, vegetarian quiche, and much more. A great date night isn't just about the main course. Start with a little something to nibble on while you sip a cocktail. Maybe serve this fancy dip, the whipped feta and mascarpone with chili, sesame, honey. Spread this on a toasted bread and it's game over. And let's serve some drinks. Maybe a strawberry lemonade mimosa? An Aperol Spritz? Or a lavender fizz? Is it cold? We could have an Irish hot chocolate. Is it hot? Maybe we just need a simple strawberry lemonade. I'm actually a margarita kind of girl, so don't mind me if I rather have this blood orange margarita. Hey, and this is red, right? And yes, I have mocktails as well. Look at this beauty, Cosmopolitan mocktail. Before we go into desserts and treats, there's a section that deserves mentioning. Traveling the world together is one of the most romantic things you can do. And with Cook I Do, you can go on a culinary adventure without leaving your home. Thanks to your Thermomix, you know your dish will be approved by any international board of recipe testers. Let's go to China and make our own dumplings. Or this fancy Biltmore Chianti glazed beef short ribs. Or a whole fish. Look, I made this one last week and we thought we were at an expensive restaurant. This is my own picture. Or let's go to Italy and make our own gnocchi from scratch. Always enjoying our quality time together. Or even our own gelato, which reminds me that no date night is complete without dessert. And trust me, this will steal the show. Valentine's decadent steamed chocolate cake. Rich, moist, and the ultimate chocolate lover's dream. Seriously, the best cake I have ever made. And yes, it is steamed in your Thermomix Baroma. Strawberry tiramisu, a romantic twist on the classic Italian dessert. Pinot Noir poached pears, elegant and subtly sweet with hints of wine. Absolutely stunning, right? Pineapple carpaccio with pink sorbet, elegant, fresh, and perfect for a romantic setting. Berry Dream, our famous raspberry mousse that everyone loves. It's perfect for many occasions and it's perfect for date night as well. Steamed chocolate lava cakes, that perfect gooey center, right? Yes, please! Would you like to add something extra special? These heart-shaped treats make your day even more romantic. Braided milk bread. Yes, this is my own picture. I turned it into a heart once and it was cute, right? Hey, at least I was trying. Christmas tree pull-apart bread. Same here. Draw a heart with them for an adorable touch. They taste like the Olive Garden breadsticks, so you can never go wrong with those. You can have fun making your pizza dough and shaping it into a heart. See this picture? We did this once at home and we loved it. Pun intended. Use the recipe inspired in the movie Eat, Pray, Love and make your own pizza napolitana. Or you can make your own bonbons. Look at the recipe that the chef Antonio Bashur made for Thermomix. Chocolate passion fruit bonbons. Or you can use a tempered chocolate recipe and create your own masterpiece. I'm making a video about this next week. The process is super interesting. And since I'm daring you to make all these crafty recipes, let me show you one more. I haven't made this one yet, but OMG, it's so cute! Fairy cake bouquet. I have to try it. And what's the best way to wake up after a romantic evening? A cozy breakfast. Or, again, maybe you're celebrating Mother's Day, Father's Day, a birthday, or an anniversary. Whichever it is, here you have a few bonus ideas for that perfect morning. Pancakes or waffles. Make them heart-shaped for breakfast in bed. Or try this gorgeous red velvet waffle. You'll definitely will get a wow. Chocolate-covered strawberries and hot cocoa for two. Simple, classic, and so cute. Crepes, delicate, light, and perfect with a drizzle of honey or Nutella. And we have many types. See? Crêpe Suzette, Black Forest crepes. What else? Chocolate-dipped shortbread hearts. Dunk this in your morning coffee for a sweet start to the day. Rosé cream puff pastry. Flaky, buttery, and super cute. If you want to find more recipes with this theme, please go to Cookaido and look for these collections. Table for Two collection, Perfect Match collection, or search by keywords, Valentine's, Mother's Day, etc. Just remember, if you're looking for collections, in this case, when you make a search, look for collections instead of recipes, like here. So there you have it, an entire date night experience, from appetizers to breakfast, made effortlessly with the Thermomix. Not only is it fun and romantic, but it's also so much more affordable than dining out. Yep. Instead of waiting for the waiter, plan a quality time date night at home. And if your loved one doesn't have a Thermomix yet, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Well, I mean, there is a reason why Thermomix is the #1 wedding gift in Italy, right? And if you start doing these fancy dinners at home, you can see how it will pay for itself in just a few months. Nice! Thank you! I hope this video helped you. If you have a Thermomix, you might have a few recipes you want to try now. If you don't have a Thermomix and I inspire you, please ask me any questions right here, or go to my page for more information. The link is in the comments. Or if you have decided that you or your loved one needs a Thermomix in their life, please use my purchase link. It gives you free shipping and it helps me keep doing these videos. If your consultant sent you this video, then please call them and use their link, not mine. Always buy from a consultant. You will love the help we provide. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.